Look what happens to your body when you eat eggs. Incredible! Eggs can be easier, cheaper and more versatile to increase their protein intake form. Beyond that, eggs improve their health. They are loaded with amino acids, antioxidants and iron. The buds have a nutrient-fighting fat called choline. Should pay attention to the labels. You should buy organic, if possible. In this video we show you 9 reasons you should know why you should add to your diet. So find out what happens to your body when you eat eggs every day. It's amazing. 1. Strengthens bones. Eggs contain calcium, which is something that helps bones stay strong and prevent osteoporosis. They also contain vitamin D, which regulates calcium balance in bones and teeth. 2. Improve the hair, nails and skin. Vitamin B and omega-3 fatty acids help you to have hair, nails and skin healthier and stronger. 3. They help the muscles to develop. As you know, eggs contain many proteins, which are necessary for muscles to develop. 4. They are good for the brain. Nutrients in eggs are very good for brain development. This improves, among other things, memory and responsiveness of our brain. 5. It brings lots of vitamins and minerals. The egg contains a large amount of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E, folic acid and selenium. 6. They are good for the eyes. Antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs help you to protect the eyes and reduce the risk of cataracts. 7. Help maintain weight. Eggs can take away the feeling of hunger, so that will help you eat less, if that's what you want to achieve. 8. It is an easily digestible food. Egg protein is assimilated to 98%. It is an excellent building material for new cells. Eating eggs is essential for growth of muscle mass and keep at the appropriate level. Contrary to popular belief, eating an egg a day helps you lose weight. Consumption of this nutritious protein provides satiety, decreased appetite and good metabolism. It is especially beneficial eating eggs at breakfast. This will help your body control ghrelin, hunger hormone, not overeat, and feel good. 9. They are rich in vitamins. Eggs are composed of vitamins and minerals useful for the organism. An egg contains 5% of daily requirement of vitamin A and 10% phosphorus, vitamin D, iron, zinc, iodine, retinol, riboflavin. All these minerals are present in the eggs. If you eat an egg every day, do not worry about the health of your eyes. Lutein, an important antioxidant, it protects the eye muscles degeneration related to age. While vitamin A will save you from the night blindness.